grade 4, how are you? This is Teacher Riz and welcome back to our MAPI class. So today we are going to learn another lesson, but it's all about arts. So do you like arts? Okay, so but before that one, before we proceed to our new lesson in arts, let's review first. Do you still remember our last discussion? Okay, so we discussed about physical fitness. Okay, so what is physical fitness? Right, very good. So physical fitness is the ability for us to perform daily activities. Very good. So there are two components of physical fitness, right? So what are those? We have skill related fitness and health related fitness. All right. So what is the difference between the two? Okay, so health related fitness is for the betterment of your health, of course. Whereas skill related fitness, of course, this is for the development of your physical health for sports and what? Athletic events. Very good. Now give me an example of or examples of skill related fitness. We have agility, balance, coordination, speed, power. Very good. And the last one, examples of health related fitness, we have muscular strength, flexibility, muscular endurance, reaction time. And the last one is body composition. Very good. So have you learned something from our previous lesson? Okay, good job. Today, we are going to proceed to our new lesson in arts. Okay, since we are done with music, we're done with PE, now we are now going to discuss about arts. Okay? But before that one, let me show you some picture and try to guess what are these pictures. Who are these people in these pictures? Are you ready? Okay, so here are the pictures. All right, so that's it. Can you describe the pictures? Do you know who are those people in the pictures? All right, so based on the pictures, what do you think is our lesson for today? Yes, exactly. So we are going to talk about our cultural communities. Okay, so it means, class, those people in the pictures, they are the people who belongs to our cultural communities in the Philippines, of course. All right, so are you ready to learn? All right. So do you know, class, that Philippines has a rich variety of cultural communities? Yes, you heard it right. Some of the cultural communities, class, that are unique in their own right, we have in the pictures. First, we have Agta. Do you know, class, that Agta is also known as Eta, Aita, Ata, Ate, or Ita? Yes, you heard it right. The Agta class, we can find them in the part of Luzon. There are lots of group of Agta in Luzon, not just Luzon, but also particularly in Panay Island, Visayas. Okay? So one of their tradition, orchid hunting and food gathering have always been part of their traditional Eta community. Yes, they usually hunt in groups class. Bows and arrows are used for hunting. So they dwell on the lean-to roof, portable screen from the sun, wind, and permanent dwelling for those engaged in roof planting. So can you see that one, the pictures? Next is we have manobo. Okay, manobo class practices wooden or slash and burn farming. So I think you know what is this. And they're also known as warrior society. Warrior society in which revenge was considered as religious act. And blue class, their house. They live in one square room house or standing 1.5 to 8 meters from the ground. So right? So this is different. This is a big different from your house, right? So they are living in an indigenous house, okay? They also wear traditional fabric for clothes. Now, if you're wearing modern attire right now, them they're wearing the old version of they're wearing traditional clothes, okay, made up of abaka. Okay, so we all there is what we call umpak. So this is what we call the jacket for men and women. Okay, jacket they call it umpak, and for women they're going to use the malong. Okay, malong in which they're going to use that one. Men we call it sawa, but the malong and sawa class it's similar. Okay, look at the picture. Okay, so as you observe class, it forms into geometric, or there are geometric forms in their malong. Okay, so geometric design. Okay, next we have bajau. Do you know, class, that bajau is also called as fisher folk? Why fisher folk? Because these people, or they are living on the seas or shore. Okay, so we can see them. Okay, we all know that bajau are there are lots of bajau in the streets, begging for food, begging for money. But usually, class bajau lives in the sea. Okay, in the shore. Okay, so the bajaus have also festive occasion done through a wedding ceremony. Okay, so for the girls, they're going to wear this female hat. We have salakot. For the male hat, we call it sarok. So they're going to wear that one if they're going to marry. And they have two kinds of boats class. We call it dapang or vita and palau. So if you're going to observe their boat, just like that in the picture, so it has a beautiful carve. We call it ukir. Okay, so that's one of their beautiful artwork, which is wood. They carve it. We call it ukir. Okay, so last one we have tausog. So tausog class, tao derived from the word, or derived from the word tao, meaning man, and sog, meaning current. It means tao sog is the current man. Okay, so they also depend on farming. So they just keep on doing farming, fishing, and trading. Trading we call it barter. That one. So they also live in their traditional house. They call it baisog. Okay? And one more thing, class. Tausog visual arts are represented by carvings, metalworks, embroidery, mat making, pottery. That is why they have what we call trading class. Okay, because they have lots of artwork. Okay, the product that they make. Okay, so Tausug women class, okay, just like the other group of cultural communities, okay, so they have different clothes to wear. So they wear biatao for the women, made of plain materials like satin. Okay, so I think we have this one. Yeah, we have this one, the satin. Tausug men class wear sawal, sawal kupot. Okay, this is a tight and loose trouser and matched with baju lapi. Baju lapi, a colorless short tailor jacket similar to biyatami. Okay, so can you see the difference between the group of bajau, tausog, manobo, and alta? Okay, so in short class, these people class they belong to the cultural communities. They have different cultures. Okay, so let me show you. Yeah, as you observe class, as you observe in their artworks and their clothes. Okay, we can see geometric shapes. We can see different designs, right? And then there are lots of embroideries. Now we are going to going to do this activity. Let me show you a video about called crayon etching. So we are going to do this activity. So let me show you the procedure and how are you going to do it. All you have to do is to prepare crayons and also bond paper. Much better if you're going to have, or if you have Oslo paper. Okay, so here is the video for the color or crayon etching. All right, is color etching easy or crayon etching? Okay, so you have to prepare one Oslo paper or one bond paper, coloring materials, crayons, or if you have oil pastel, much better, and also toothpick. Okay, toothpick because you're going to use that one in forming shapes. Or if you don't have toothpick, you can have tiny stick. Okay, so that's very easy. Again, let's review. What are those people? Who are those people belongs to the cultural communities? We have Agta, Manobo, Bajau, and Tausog. Okay, so have you learned something today? Okay, so very good. I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening, grade 4. And if you have questions for your activity on Thursday, please don't hesitate to ask me. Okay, again, prepare those materials. Okay, bye bye, grade 4.